welcome to my channel. I'm proud to say that I finally made a beauty channel after all this time and dedication. I'm so happy that this is going to be my first ever video on this channel. I just really love beauty and fashion, so the fact that I'm actually making a channel dedicated to that makes me so happy. I do have another channel and I did start doing makeup videos on that channel, but only 2 of them. But I decided that the vibe on the channel was more a fun vibe. Like on that channel, I'll be doing challenges, pranks, recipes, vlogs. But on this channel, I'll be doing makeup tutorials, DIYs, advice, tips, hacks, things like that. And I'm really excited that I finally made a separate channel. So I really love it if you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. So my schedule for this channel, I've decided that I'm going to post every Saturday at 3:30. And if you guys have any suggestions on what you want my videos to be about, just let me know in the comment section down below, or you can just DM me on Instagram and Twitter. The link will be in the description box down below as well. Anyways, that's all I got to say. I hope you guys subscribe to become part of the family and turn on the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post. So I'll pretty much see you guys in the next video that will be coming up this Saturday at 3:30. Stay tuned. Bye.